Grasping the levels of wealth is not only essential, it's absolutely transformative. Imagine understanding the financial landscape like a seasoned explorer, knowing each plateau and peak, each valley and vista. This understanding is a compass, guiding you towards financial success, towards prosperity. It's like having a map to the treasure chest of financial freedom. So, are you ready to embark on this journey of discovery, to decode the secrets of wealth? If you are, then buckle up. Now let's dive into the different levels of wealth. The first level of wealth, which is the survival stage, is where everyone starts. Now this stage isn't the most comfortable, but it's the reality for many. It's the stage where money comes in and goes out almost immediately, leaving barely anything for a rainy day. It's the hustle and bustle of living paycheck to paycheck, with a constant struggle to meet basic needs. Imagine the single mother working 2 jobs to put food on the table, or the fresh college graduate burdened with student loans barely making ends meet. They're in the survival stage. It's a stage characterized by financial stress, where saving seems like a luxury and investing, a far-fetched dream. But here's the good news. This stage is not a life sentence. It's a starting point, a stepping stone. With the right financial knowledge, discipline, and a dash of resilience, you can climb up the wealth ladder. While it might be challenging, moving from this stage is absolutely possible. The next level is stability, where financial pressures start to ease. At this stage, you've built a firm financial foundation. You're no longer living paycheck to paycheck, and the fear of unexpected expenses doesn't keep you up at night. Stability is the comfort of a steady income, the relief of being able to pay your bills on time every time. Imagine this. You're able to set aside a little each month in a savings account. You're not just surviving, you're slowly but surely building your wealth. It's like planting a tree. With each dollar saved, you're watering that tree, and over time it will grow, providing you with shade, resources, and even more opportunities. But remember, stability isn't the end goal. It's a stepping stone. It's the platform from which you can leap to greater heights. Moving from stability to the next level requires strategic financial decisions. The journey of wealth continues, and it's time to gear up for the next phase. Security, the third level of wealth, is where financial freedom starts. This stage is a significant leap from merely surviving or maintaining stability. At this juncture, you're not just living paycheck to paycheck or saving for a rainy day. You're building a financial fortress. Imagine having an emergency fund that can cover 6 months of your living expenses. This safety net allows you to navigate life's unpredictable twists and turns with a sense of calm, knowing you're protected if things go awry. Now think about owning a home. No more paying rent that disappears into someone else's pocket every month. Instead, you're investing in a tangible asset that grows over time. And let's not forget about investments. Whether it's stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, these are your soldiers marching out every day, fighting to bring you more wealth. Remember, security is not the final destination, it's a stepping stone. The next level of wealth, however, is where things start to get truly interesting. Prosperity, the fourth level of wealth, allows for more financial flexibility. This stage is not just about meeting life's essentials, but about indulging in the finer things and expanding your financial horizons. One can start to afford luxuries that were previously out of reach. Imagine cruising on a yacht or sipping champagne on a private jet. These are no longer just dreams, but realities that can be achieved with prosperity. Moreover, prosperity allows you to broaden your investment portfolio. Instead of sticking to safe and conventional investments, you can now venture into higher risk, higher return options. Think about investing in a promising startup or buying shares in a booming industry. This level of wealth gives you the freedom to experiment and diversify, multiplying your wealth potential. Yet remember, prosperity isn't the final stop. It's a significant milestone indeed, but the journey towards greater wealth continues. Achieving prosperity is a milestone, but the journey towards greater wealth continues. The final 3 levels, affluence, abundance, and legacy, are where financial dreams become reality. Let's delve deep into these final stages, where the fruits of your hard work and strategic planning truly pay off. Affluence, the 5th level, is where you cross the threshold from being simply comfortable to being truly wealthy. Here you're not just meeting your needs and wants, but surpassing them. You have the financial freedom to live the life you've always dreamed of. For instance, imagine owning multiple properties across the globe, from a beach house in Malibu to a penthouse in New York City. This is the level of wealth where you have the luxury to invest in experiences, not just things. Then we move to the 6th level, abundance. At this stage, your wealth is not just about you anymore. It's about the impact and influence you can create. You have significant investments, perhaps even owning shares in multiple companies, contributing to their growth and success. You're no longer worried about your financial security, but you're making a difference in the economy as a whole. Think of it as being a silent partner in a thriving business, or being a major donor to a cause you're passionate about. Finally, we reach the pinnacle, the seventh level, legacy. This is the stage where your wealth transcends beyond your lifetime. You're not just leaving behind assets, but a financial legacy that can benefit generations to come. At this level, you're shaping the future, whether it's by setting up a scholarship fund to help students achieve their dreams, or by establishing a trust fund for your grandchildren. This is where your wealth becomes a testament to your life's work and a gift to future generations. In all these stages, it's important to remember that wealth is not just about accumulation, but also about distribution. It's about making a positive impact, not just in your life, but in the lives of others. The journey to wealth isn't just about financial gain, but about achieving a level of freedom and influence that allows you to contribute to the world in a meaningful way. Reaching these levels is a testament to financial success and strategic planning. It shows that you've not only mastered the art of making money, but also the science of keeping it and making it work for you. So dream big, plan well, and remember, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, perseverance, and strategic planning are your allies on this journey. Understanding and navigating the levels of wealth is a journey, not a destination. It's like climbing a mountain. Each level we ascend brings us a different perspective, and with it, fresh challenges and rewards. Every step we take is a testament to our resilience and determination, the very essence of our entrepreneurial spirit. We began at the base, the survival level, where we learned the value of self-sufficiency. It's here we understood that our first step towards financial independence is breaking free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. Next, we found stability. We discovered the importance of setting aside a safety net, a buffer against life's unexpected turns. We saw how having a stable financial footing can give us the confidence to dream bigger, to strive for more. Then we climbed to security. We explored the power of smart investments and passive income, how they can provide not just a safety net, but a trampoline, propelling us upwards on our wealth journey. We reached prosperity, where we began to enjoy the fruits of our labor. We savored the pleasures of financial freedom, but also understood that prosperity is more than just enjoying luxury. It's about giving back, enriching our communities, and making a positive impact. Finally, we soared to the heights of affluence, abundance, and legacy. We learned that true wealth isn't just about accumulating money, but about creating a lasting legacy that will continue to empower and inspire long after we're gone. In this journey, it's important to remember that each level of wealth is not a final destination, but a stepping stone towards the next. It's about understanding where we are, envisioning where we want to be, and taking intentional steps to get there. Each level brings its own lessons and demands, but also its unique rewards. Ultimately, the journey of wealth isn't just about financial prosperity. It's about personal growth, about becoming the best versions of ourselves, and about using our wealth to make a positive impact in the world. If you're ready to uncover the secrets to financial success, don't forget to subscribe. The journey may be long and challenging, but together we can conquer the mountain.